Shiba Inu is finally blasting into a new 12-month high, and the cryptocurrency market appears more and more positive every day. Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What is the most recent news on Shiba Inu Coin? And what impact will all of this have on Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be addressing these questions and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we go on to our subject, let's examine the chart and observe how the cost of Shiba is moving on January 7th. Today, a Shiba Inu costs around 2244 units. With $696 million in trading activity during the last 24 hours, Shib's price has dropped 8%. The token is now the 17th highest valued cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of about $13.2 billion. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this article. Let's move on to the video for today. Shiba Inu's primary on-chain measure increased by 1079%. What comes next? As 2025 begins, the dog-themed coin Shiba Inu has seen a notable spike in a crucial on-chain measure. Shiba Inu's big holder net flows, which track changes in the holdings of large holders or whales, have increased by an incredible 1079%, according to information gathered by Into the Block. Last day, according to Into the Block, Shiba Inu's price increased by 1% over the previous day. This was the result of a search that reversed unfavorable net flows of 177.74 billion Shib on January 3 to a favorable net flow of 67.52 billion Shib on January 4. One important on-chain statistic that sheds light on the actions of significant investors is large holder net flow. The indicator provides insight into the purchasing and selling patterns of whales, or huge holders. While a negative net flow implies that major holders may be selling, a positive net flow shows that they are expanding their stakes. The sharp rise in major holder net flows in the instance of Shiba Inu may suggest significant whale accumulating. Given that the Shiba Inu ecosystem is anticipated to undergo major developments in 2025, this trend may be a positive indication for Shib. The unveiling of the treat on January 14 is eagerly anticipated by the Shiba Inu community. Recently, the official treat's handle sent out a tweet. It's going to be legendary, so mark your calendars. Treat will take center stage in only 10 days. The treat token is anticipated to transform data management on blockchain by providing privacy improvements via completely homomorphic encryption. We would much appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still viewing. It is completely free and contributes significantly to the channel's support. To learn about the most recent Shiba Inu news and what the future may bring for the Shiba Inu coin, however, stay watching. Here's what happens when Shiba reaches the 102 trillion mark. Shiba Inu, a popular cryptocurrency with a dog motif, has had a successful start to 2025. Shiba began the year with 2,000 units and has since increased substantially, peaking at 2425 units today. This may be the asset's third straight day of increases, which would boost investor confidence. As the new year progresses, there have also been noticeable advancements in the larger cryptocurrency sector. The price rises of many digital assets suggest that the industry is expanding as a result of investors' increasing interest. Shiba Inu is one among the altcoins that is doing well. Because altcoins are more volatile than Bitcoin, they often provide more chances for quick profits, which fuels the current trend. The bullish feeling shown at the beginning of 2025 may be explained by the fact that traditionally, the first quarter has been a beneficial time for digital assets. Shiba Inu was trading at 2250 units at the time of this report, which is a 4% weekly increase and a 7% fall from the previous day. Additionally, Shib's 24-hour volume of trade has surpassed $550 million, indicating increased demand for the token. Is a milestone of 102 trillion what follows? The current surge in Shiba Inu has placed it into a crucial trading region where notable activity levels have previously transpired. Approximately 102.57 trillion Shib coins were purchased between 2,200 and 2,400 units, according to statistics from Into the Block. 80,900 addresses were included in this range, and the average acquisition cost was 2,300 units. Shiba Inu has over that minor barrier and is now trading around 2,250 units, which is a little low. The next major resistance zone is between 2,400 and 3,000 units. Over 70 trillion Shib coins are owned by 207,630 addresses in this area, suggesting that there may be obstacles to future upward growth. Levels of support in the event of a deterioration. Shiba Inu has solid support between 1,900 and 2,200 units in case of a price decline. According to data, 47,250 addresses inside this area have almost 28.77 trillion Shib tokens, indicating a strong foundation for the asset in the event that selling pressure increases. A positive atmosphere for assets like Shiba Inu is being created by the general strength of the cryptocurrency industry at the beginning of 2025. Even though Shib's present trajectory seems promising, how well it handles opposition zones and maintains investor interest will determine how much momentum it can keep. The major plot of today's video is about to begin. Treat, Shiba Inu's new governance token, will be released soon. Treat, a fresh token for governance and environment incentives, will be introduced by meme-coin ecosystem Shiba Inu. The initiative said that Treat would begin this January, although it did not provide a certain date in a post on the social networking site X. The project teased its premiere for many months before Treat's arrival. Treat will be a token that grants access to the Shib network, allowing its holders to use a number of features and services, as per its official statement. According to the announcement, holding Treat gives you unique access to innovative features and services that are intended to transform online interactions, whether you're investigating state-of-the-art payment methods or venturing into uncharted territory in virtual collaboration. Treat is the next in the Shiba Inu project's efforts to evolve from a meme currency to a worthwhile blockchain initiative. The project has already introduced a number of goods, such as the Shibarium Layer 2 system and several other tokens, in an attempt to do this. Following Shiba Inu's announcement that it will become an autonomous organization, many people think that Treat would usher in a new era for the project. However, the page announcing its introduction explicitly states that it is not meant for U.S. audiences, therefore U.S. investors will not be able to access the token. Which use cases does Treat have? In the meanwhile, the Shiba Inu website's Treat page described the many applications of the token in the Shib ecosystem. Treat would enable additional functionality, such as Shib Pay, an on-chain payment mechanism for the Shiba Inu network, the website claims. It said that Treat allows customers to pay directly, eschewing conventional processors, while maintaining transparency and confidence via blockchain validation. This invention ushers in a new age of commerce driven by cryptocurrency. Furthermore, it powers improved yield farming via Farming 2.0 and the Wolf Wars, acting as a reward token. Liquidity providers will get extra rewards and trading fees, while holders may use Treat to influence pair bonuses, according to the material on the Treat website. Treat, on the other hand, will also function as the governance token, and its holders will be able to affect the course of the Shiba Inu ecosystem by utilizing it and staking it to gain more voting power. Users will be able to vote on recommendations for which projects should be developed and which should utilize the available liquidity in the Shib ecosystem's innovation branch. In 2025, Shib is off to a strong start, but can it last? Investors in Shiba Inu expect that with the debut of Treat, its flagship meme currency, SHIB, will maintain the strong success it has witnessed in 2025. Despite ending 2024 in a negative mood, losing almost 23% in 30 days, the token is up about 5% since the year began, according to CoinMarketCap. 4 tokens, Shib, Leash, Bone, and Treat, with distinct purposes, are now part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shib continues to be the most well-known and biggest token by market capitalization, even if the project includes additional tokens in a multi-chain environment, thanks to its cooperation with Chainlink. However, considering that Shib has already seen a decline in value today, it is unclear whether it will be able to sustain its positive trend. The meme coin's enormous supply and poor burn rate, only 44.6 billion coins were burnt in 2024, continue to impede any meaningful price development, despite the hopes of many investors for a bull run that would propel it above $1. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.